I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
Start by making a clear, flavorful broth. Bring 6 cups of chicken broth to a gentle simmer and add a 2-inch ginger slice and 1/2 onion, both charred briefly in a dry pan. Toast 1 star anise and 3 whole cloves until fragrant, then crush and add them to the pot. Simmer aromatics for 30 minutes to meld flavors. Finish by stirring in 1 tablespoon fish sauce and 1 teaspoon sugar to balance salt and sweetness, then strain solids. While broth simmers, prepare the proteins and noodles. Gently poach 1 pound boneless chicken breasts in simmering broth for about 12 minutes, or until the internal temperature reaches 165 degrees F, then remove and let rest. Meanwhile, soak or blanch 8 Oz rice noodles according to package instructions, about 6 minutes, until tender but slightly firm. Shred the rested chicken into bite-sized pieces and add back to the strained hot broth so noodles and protein are warm together when assembled. Assemble each bowl. Place about 1 cup cooked rice noodles and 3/4 cup shredded chicken in a warm bowl, then ladle 1 cup hot, strained broth over them to heat everything through. Offer garnishes so diners customize. Plate 6 cilantro sprigs, 6 Thai basil leaves, lime wedges, sliced jalapeno, and a handful of bean sprouts. Provide hoisin sauce and sriracha at the table. Advise adding hoisin for sweetness and sriracha for heat, and squeeze lime to brown.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.